Making money on OF today. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going over how you can really make money on OnlyFans in today's market, okay? But before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below, or at least just give the video a thumbs up, as it absolutely helps the channel so I can continue to make as much content for you guys as possible. And if you are looking to grow your OF business, reach out to me on Instagram. My direct link for Instagram is in the video description down below, along with a lot of other useful and helpful resources and links as well. And let me help you grow your business. I have coaching services, promotional services, Twitter management services, and guaranteed fans promotional services. So reach out to me if you are looking to grow your business. But let's get into it. So I always get the question, and everyone always kind of just seems to say, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I just feel like everyone else is like makes so much money on OF and I don't know what I'm doing wrong. The biggest thing that I end up seeing a lot when people reach out to me on IG, because yes, I answer everybody. Even if it's just general questions, if I can help you out, I will. And a lot of the times, people don't understand how much they really need to be promoting themselves, okay? So with that being said, drop your OF link down below and literally promote yourself right now and everywhere you possibly can. The only way that you are really going to be able to grow is by promoting yourself. Now, there is some stuff and a lot of stuff that you actually need to do on your actual OF page, and I go through this into my one-to-one coaching with my clients, but I'm going to be giving you some of those secret tips in this video right now. But regardless, you can't milk or drain your fans, that's OF lingo, on your page if you don't even get them to your page to begin with. So you have to make sure that you are literally promoting yourself everywhere. But the number one mistake that you guys really need to look out for is that you are promoting your correct link. I cannot tell you how many clients I take them on as a client and I go to do a page audit for them. And the first thing I do is I go directly to that link in your bio. And every single time that this happens, that this is the mistake that's occurring, is that they are using the wrong link or a dead or broken link. And then I can't even get to their page. So how is anyone else going to get to your page? So you guys have to make sure that you are promoting yourself, but you are using the correct link in that process. Because if you're not, all of that marketing, all of that advertising, and all that promoting is going to be for nothing if you are not using your correct link. To get your correct link, go to your actual profile. Go to your profile. In the top right corner, right below your banner, there is a little kind of square with an arrow inside of it. You just click that square and it will copy your link, and then you paste it everywhere. Also, it takes 2 seconds to check a link, guys. This is a business. You need to switch your mindset to that. So you should be checking all of your links, taking that extra 10 seconds of your time to make sure you are going through all of your stuff and it is going and funneling traffic to the correct place. Excuse me, I got tongue-tied for a second. It is going and funneling your traffic to the correct place, and that is your OF page. Now, let's get into how you're going to be making money on OF once you finally got that traffic to your page. And I also am going to touch on, should you have a free page or should you have a paid page? If you have already decided this, sure, you can fast forward a little bit, but either way, whatever page you have, you still want that information that I'm going to give you, because you're still going to do it on both pages. Okay, so I wanted to touch on this very, very quickly, because this is something else that a lot of my clients ask me, they kind of get hung up on, but my answer is always the same. And again, whether you have a free page or a paid page, how you run and manage your page and the way to make extra money on your page is still, in a sense, gonna kind of be the same thing. The only difference is that if you are a newbie right now, or even kind of in the beginning stages, I always recommend starting out with a free page. I call it a numbers game, where at least you can get a whole bunch more people onto your page, and you're able to kind of milk and drain them and make money off of them with all of the extra stuff that you're doing on the page, as opposed to just hoping that your sales funnel and your page is optimized enough, and why my page audit is one of my best sellers, because there is a science in a sense to how your page should be optimized. So if it's not, and you're just kind of hoping and praying that these followers, the traffic that you're sending to your page is going to convert to actual paying subscribers and hoping they'll pay that $10 or $15 subscription price, you're better off starting out with that free page, and whoever gets through the door using some of the tips that I'm going to give you to be able to milk and drain those fans. So now let's get into it. So on a free page, not a paid page, you can make locked posts. This is the number one way that you should be utilizing your free page. I cannot tell you how many clients, when I jump onto their page to do a page audit, they have no locked posts. What is the mentality of this? Do you like leaving money on the table? Because I do not understand it. You should be utilizing every feature that OF gives you, so that way you can be making money at every single step of your business, in that process, in the journey, in the funnel that your fans get when they get onto your page as well. So locked posts is important. But your locked posts should have a preview. So this is the secret tip about that, because I understand some people are like, yes, we know a free page, you could do locked posts. Some of you actually don't, but also even the ones that know that they can lock a post, they don't give a preview picture. A preview picture on a locked post is very helpful and helps with conversions, so you can get more people to unlock that post. So again, utilize those things that are at your fingertips. Another way, and I'm saying this because I just got off a coaching call with a client right before making this video. I was doing a page audit for them. Your welcome message. You guys are leaving money on the table if you do not have your welcome message set up with locked content. Even if your page is free, you are going to be selling that exclusive content that they will never see on your wall or anywhere else. Because again, there are so many different ways to really be making money on OF, and you should be utilizing all of these resources. So your welcome message should not have anything free, especially if you have a free page. But even if you don't, your welcome message should not be something, a free picture and then just a cute little caption. This is a business. You guys have to treat it as such. So that welcome message, you are going to be greeting your fan. Hey, cutie. Hey, babe. Whatever it is, you're going to be speaking in the singular, not hey guys, okay? Because each person gets these messages individually. Then you are going to give a little bit about yourself. And then that locked content is either going to be an exclusive picture package, maybe, a 4 to 5 minute video, and it's going to be locked for a specific price. Now, pricing depends on the actual content, what the content is about, the length of the video, or how many pictures. So I can't give you an exact price, but a range, which I do go over my one-to-one coaching, but I'll give you a little bit right now. You should be charging anywhere from $7 to about $20, depending what that locked piece of content is. Now, a very, very secret tip that I tell all of my clients, there is a very fine line between overcharging and then you get no sales, to undercharging, and then you are undervaluing your own content, which in turn, your fans will end up undervaluing your content and not really make purchases either. There actually is a psychology to sales. I've been an online entrepreneur for 8 years, so I know a lot of bit about this. But just kind of keep that in your mind, because I understand a lot of you are not entrepreneurs and you are just kind of diving into this part of the online making money realm. But just keep that in mind, that there should be what I like to call a little sweet spot when you are pricing your anything, your PPVs, which I will go over, guys, your custom content, which I will go over, and even your welcome messages. But you are leaving money on the table if you are not doing that. And it is one of the easiest ways to make money on OF, is just by having that welcome message and locked content, and you're just earning money passively. Okay. So now, since I mentioned it, let's get into custom content. Now, custom content, this is going to be particular to you, your page, and your content. This is a business. It's your business. So I cannot tell you what kind of custom content you can do. That is up to you, but I'm going to give you some examples on prices. for custom content. And if you don't understand what custom content is, I know this may be for super newbies, but custom content is when one of your fans wants a specific piece of content that is going to be custom or customized just for them. So at that point, it can be a picture package, it can be, a video, but your custom content will start at a baseline price of $30 or more. And then it will start at about 4 to 5 pictures or a 2-minute video. After that, the price will go up depending on what else or extra your fan would want. Secret advice and helpful advice that I give my clients: you do not make custom content until you get your money first. Do not ever listen to anyone that tells you, oh, send it to me and I'll tip you later. That will never happen. Unfortunately, in businesses, anywhere, there is scammers, there is freeloaders, there is time wasters. So you want to make sure you are always protecting your bag. So you have to collect your money up front. But first, you are going to discuss with your fan exactly what they want, and then you guys can agree on a price. Once you agree on a price, they pay, and then you can then go ahead and make the custom content. Now, PPVs. PPVs is something that many of you are now hearing about. Other people still have no idea about, and that is pay-per-view content. So what this means is that it is content that will be locked, and they have to pay to unlock it to be able to view it. Now, this can range for a different kind of content and in different avenues on your page. The number one thing I always tell my clients, and even you guys here, if you've been watching any of my other 30 plus videos on my channel, is you always want to make sure you are checking out all of your settings and all of the capabilities on OF. Again, this is a business. You wouldn't open up a restaurant and not use all of the stoves or refrigerators. It doesn't work that way, okay? You should be going through every single setting and seeing every possible resource and capability that you have on the platform. With that being said, you are able to mass DM, mass message your fans, okay? That is the biggest thing that a lot of my newbie clients don't even know that they do. And I actually had a client last week. They've been on the platform for a year, and they didn't even know that this was a capability. And she was wondering why she just couldn't really make money. And all she was waiting for was that $5 or $10 subscription price. So you have to make sure that you really understand that you have different capabilities. So for PPVs, it's going to be locked content, and you should be sending these out in mass DMs. But a kicker and a very important piece of information: when you send out these mass DMs, again, you aren't going to be wording your messages like, hey guys, I just made this spicy picture package, or this video. Every time you send out a mass message, it is if you are speaking with one fan only, okay? So however you address your fans is how you are going to be like, hey cutie, hey babe, or just hey, okay? But you aren't going to make it plural, so that way it sounds super impersonal. And on top of it, you want to make sure that anytime that you are sending anything out, or your captions or your bio, you make everything very enticing and you put in a CTA. In marketing, we call that a call to action. And what that is that it is an action, a psychological action that you want your fans, because at the end of the day, your fans are actually your customers, what action you want them to take. So when you send out that message, that PPV message is going to be, hey, oh, I just made this super cute picture package, exclusive content. You'll never see it on my wall. You'll never see it on my page. Unlock this message now, okay? So right there, that little verbiage, that wording is where your CTA is, and you are telling your fan what action you want them to take, and that is to unlock that message, all right? So make sure you are doing that. There are so many different ways to be making money on OF. You shouldn't just get some fans on your page and then not be doing anything. This is a continuous hustle. You should be offering your services and explaining and promoting and advertising your additional services in your bio, in your welcome message, on your posts. Your posts should not just be cute little captions. It should be an enticing picture. And then even if your page is paid and you can't lock posts, you could still put an enticing picture up. And then in your caption, you could say, tip $10 on this post to get an exclusive spicy video in your DMs right now. Tip $10 if you want to start a texting session right now. Or, if you're interested in custom content, DM me, right? Or if you offer video calls, which is going to be another very, very big piece of information about how you can make money on OF, is offering other services. Video calls right now is very, very big, but a very, very big disclaimer is you do not give out your personal information. You are either going to be doing this by Snapchat, Instagram video, or Skype. You never give out your personal information. And again, you are not going to do any services without collecting your money first. So you will discuss with the fan exactly what they want, and you guys will agree on a price. They will tip you, and then you will get onto a video call. But advertising these and offering these is also a very, very good way to be making more money on OnlyFans. You also, another big tip, and this is the information I give my clients, can charge up to $10 per minute, depending what the call is going to be about. And if you guys agree on that, and if you know a little bit about this particular fan, if they're good spenders, you can charge up to. It doesn't mean all calls are going to be $10 per minute, but up to, which will give you really good, conversions. If a 10-minute call, again, can get you $100. So that is definitely very, very good money to be made. But the biggest way to continuously make money on the platform is by mass DMing, speaking with your fans, connecting with them, and continuously selling your services. So don't give up. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time.